Hi everyone, I'm the bosun at Chew Valley Lake Sailing Club. I'd like to give you a few pointers on the committee boat and how to handle it. We're starting at bow first. The first one is the secondary fixing which goes on the buoy when we anchor. This is just a safety feature which we clip on when we're not in use. The second bit on the bow is the anchor system. We've got a small anchor which attaches by a clip. Now if the wind is higher than top of force 4 to 5 and we find it drifting, you undo this clip here and there's an anchor in the stern which is a heavier anchor which will support the boat from drifting. And that's an easy fix. So at the stern of the boat, as you can see, this is the second anchor with the fixing on it. So you can see that the clip goes on there and that's the bigger anchor. But it's a heavy anchor, so you don't want to use it too often. Next is when you come onto the boat, you will want power. The battery is actually, you lift the lid, the battery is here and there's a power switch there which you turn on, and as simple as that. When you leave the boat, turn it off again. That's all you need to do. On the other hatch is our fuel, which is a tank. Really we want to leave half full because we don't use that much fuel here. Right, now we've got the door open already. The keys are in the usual place. It's all locked up. We enter the cabin. It's pretty easy. We've got the first aid kit, which is on your port side, plus a fire extinguisher on your starboard side. The controls, you've got the radio, which has got switches to put the radio on. And also there's a switch for the horn, to power the horn for the starting sequence. There's lots of cupboards here and flags and storage which you need, and the numbers for the marks. And finally, just remember when leaving the boat, the engine raised out the water and all the ropes on. Thank you.